Welcome. I'm sure we are a little bit late because technical errors what happened in Chicago. Welcome and good evening. It is my distinct honor and privilege to be the 37th president of AAPI, the American Association of Physicians of Indian Origin, representing probably at this time 200,000 physicians. I think we had to change the dialogue. 100,000, now we say 200,000 fellows and academicians of Indian origin. I am Sudhakar John Alagata. I practice gastroenterology and transplant hepatology in Douglas, Georgia. I am humbled to serve API to contribute in shaping the healthcare in the United States. Regretfully, we can't meet in person, but joined today by outstanding API Executive Committee team of Dr. Anupama Gautamukula, President-elect and Vice President Dr. Ravi Kohli, and Secretary Dr. Amit Chakravarti, and Treasurer Dr. Satish Kotula, and Sajani Shah, the second generation, first time happened, a chair of API Board of Trustees, and Amit, the YPS and MRCP presidents. API given so much, networking, advocacy, and education. I am deeply committed to serve this noble organization, working for you, the members. API will respond to its members, and for fulfilling our mission, we will continue to focus on advocacy, active participation of young physicians, and increasing membership. This year, we will work with make API stronger and more vibrant and united. I say united. To accomplish this, we will bring all the API chapters, regions, members of Executive Committee, and Board of Trustees to work together toward the common goal of successful API. As API President, I have identified 5 goals to better accomplish API mission. First of all, to increase API membership by offering more benefits, opportunities of members, knowing that API growth lies with the younger generation. This is my top priority to support and promote YPS, MSR, because they are the future of API. Toward this end, we must work with children of API members who are interested in medical school to provide education on choosing the right school and gaining acceptance further. We will work with medical students, residents who are potential API members to educate on their contract negotiations and patient communication and practice management. Young physicians in Indian origin provide hope, vibrancy, and for the future of API and healthcare generally in the United States. As you are aware, Indian Americans continue to enter in this noble profession in large numbers. We will be entrusting the future of health care to them. You will be excited to know that we are launching a clinical observership program for aspiring young physicians under the leadership of Dr. Anurag Talwar and Vandana Agarwal, which is going to happen. Under API guidance, medical students and youth interested in medicine will taught skills for participating in interview and the way to succeed in school and residency training. It really benefits for the foreign medical graduates because they need exposure to our American way of treating patients and bedside manners. Second, we will focus on advocacy, which is crucial to our success so far. We will continue to press our legislative priorities in the US and abroad. API growing clout is seen everywhere as physicians of Indian origin hold critical positions in all sectors, including academics, research, and the government. Yet there is much more to do. For example, we must work to increase the number of available residency positions in US hospitals, and regard to the immigration, ensure that legal permanent residency available for all Indian American physicians currently on temporary visas. Third, we will identify, invest the delivery of the cost-effective and advanced medical care in India. You may well know that API does a lot of work in India. We're greatly looking forward for a global healthcare summit in 2021 in Visakhapatnam, under the leadership chairman of Dr. Prasad Chalasani. There we are going to launch liver disease awareness program. You all know that hepatitis B very predominant in India. I lost my brother-in-law because of hepatitis B, because of the treatment. The education is very important. I discussed with the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh and the Health Minister. We are going to implement during the time of Global Healthcare Summit about the liver disease awareness in India as well as Andhra Pradesh and Telangana states. Together, we anticipate impact in India and United States by supporting charitable activities in both countries. We'll expand our efforts of API and Charitable Foundation programs in India under the able leadership of Dr. Surendra Purohit, the chairman of API Charitable Foundation. And fourth, we'll build on our goal of promoting diversity with our leadership. I'm proud of at point one half of the chairs in the standing committees of governing body are qualified, competent women. So you can understand woman power is very important in API. Yeah. API is the world leader in diversity in medicine. We'll strive for equality in healthcare delivery globally. Fifth, API financial solvency is crucial. I'm sure we have that endowment fund. I'm going to work with my President-elect, Dr. Arunkumar Godumukkala, and my officers and my executive committee to improve the fund of endowment to help for the future president. One of my key responsibilities is fundraising, and I'm committed to strengthen the API through strong fundraising activities. And finally, due to the COVID-19, you all know that we did more than 50 webinars under the leadership of Dr. Suresh Reddy. We'll continue to do that, and because we learned a lot of technology utilizing during this COVID conferences, in this light, we organize monthly online webinars offering the first time in the API, we're offering 20 CME credits with Dr. Vemur Murthy, the chair for this program. We'll also provide as a membership benefit. This is the first time we're offering the membership benefit for API members, regular motivation lectures for the physicians to combat rising the physician burnout. The COVID-19 pandemic has imposed inordinate challenges on all of us. However, despite this hardship, we adapt and will survive. Perhaps there has never been a greater need for us as physicians, as members of API, and for our crucial mission. We share the agony of those among us who have personally suffered from this scourge, and we extend our sympathy to families that have lost their dear ones, as well as our prayers for those still fighting for the disease for rapid and full recovery. As we look forward to the future together, I hope that you'll make plans to join us for a fabulous API Convention Orlando in July 2021. I'm looking forward to welcome you all in person to Florida next year. I'm sure you'll love to see Mickey and Harry Potter. And Dr. Atul Madan is the chair of the convention. I'm sure he will take good care of you with Southern hospitality after Atlanta. Unfortunately, we lost Chicago because of the COVID. For the sake of our future, now more than ever, we must fully analyze API PAC. Dr. Kulakari just mentioned about the PAC. I'm sure I'm going to do that. I'm going to establish a PAC, more energize this PAC. We already established, but I'm going to energize this PAC. We're proud of our shared heritage, motherland, and American home. Thank you again, and God bless your great countries, America and India. Jai Hind.